Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today, we're comparing the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro and the hohem iSteady X3 SE. Both of these gimbals promise to enhance your videography experience, but which one truly stands out? Let's explore their features, user reviews, and overall performance to find out which gimbal is the best fit for your smartphone videography needs. When it comes to price, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro is priced at $79 US, while the hohem iSteady X3 SE comes in at a more affordable $69 US. This makes the hohem a more budget-friendly option for those looking to capture smooth video without breaking the bank. Battery life is crucial for any videographer. The JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro does not specify its battery life, which leaves users guessing. In contrast, the hohem iSteady X3 SE boasts an impressive 11 hours of battery life, allowing for extended shooting sessions without the need for frequent recharging. In terms of features, the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro offers AI smart tracking and gesture control, making it easier to capture dynamic shots. On the other hand, the hohem iSteady X3 SE includes a detachable remote control, providing convenience for selfies and group shots. Both gimbals have their unique strengths, catering to different user preferences. In conclusion, both the JCROBOT iSleeky L7C Pro and the hohem iSteady X3 SE offer excellent features for smartphone videography. Your choice will depend on whether you prioritize smart tracking capabilities or a longer battery life with a remote control. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.